Hello there, welcome to Accounting Space. In this video, we want to look at a question from the question paper of November 2024. So we are going to look at the second question of that question paper, that is on true or false. So this is a question that we have. In our question reads, indicate whether the following statements are true or false by writing only true or false next to the question number, that is 2.1.12, 2.1.10 in the answer book. So 2.1.1, direct labor can be wages paid to the cleaning staff in the factory. So remember, direct labor is a cost that we can directly attribute to the product that is being produced. But when it comes to wages paid to cleaning staff, it's not directly linked to the product that is being produced. So this is not true. So we are saying 2.1.1 report false is our answer. Go to the second part whereby you're saying the weighted average method is calculated after each receipt of inventory, and then the average price is used as the issue price, which is correct. Remember, whenever we receive inventory, that's when we calculate a new weighted average, which we can use when the next time we issue is when we are going to use that previous weighted average method that has been calculated. So that's true. So we have got 2.1.2 being true. Then I will go to 2.1.3. The production report is compiled to measure employee performance, which is also true. So let's take note that the production report basically provides managers and employees with clear, detailed information about a manufacturing company's production data. So basically, that's a production report. So we go to 2.1.4. When a markup on the sale price is calculated, the cost will be 100%. So obviously, remember, the formula that we have consists in that is that we say our cost price plus our markup, you get your sale price. So basically, cost price is always 100%. Then the markup depends on the markup that is being applied in that business. And then the sale price now it's true according to information given. You go 2.1.5. Debtors require information about business ability to pay its debts. And remember, this is usually a concern of the financial institutions that obviously lend money to the businesses. Debtors basically they are individuals or businesses that we sell goods to on credit. So whenever we sell goods on credit, the person or business that we have sold to on credit becomes a debtor. So that makes that statement false. So we have false. Moving on to the next one, conversion costs refers to the combination of direct labor costs and direct material costs. So this is also false. So basically, conversion costs is just an expression, as we are saying, is still used when referring to the cost of converting or transforming the raw materials into the finished product. So that's the conversion cost as we transform the raw materials into the finished product. So it therefore includes the direct labor and all manufacturing overheads. So we are saying calculation of conversion costs, we say direct labor costs plus manufacturing overheads. Then you get your conversion costs. So that's what we have. Then move on to the next one, which is 2.1.7. Bad working conditions are an external factor influencing productivity. Productivity is on average how the quality of units being produced by an individual worker on average. So basically, to calculate productivity, we say total produced units are divided by the number of workers. So that on average, you see on average what is the quantity being produced by an individual worker. So you see that now when you say bad working conditions, this is an internal factor that is coming into play. When we're talking about external factors, they are factors that are affecting the operations of the business, but they are coming from outside the business. So that becomes an external factor. So that makes 2.1.7 false. Then we go to 2.1.8. The reducing balance method is one of the commonly used methods of calculating depreciation. It's true. Remember, we've got two main methods that we use to calculate depreciation. That is the reducing balance method, or we call it can also be called the diminishing balance method, or we can call it again the carrying value method, meaning the same thing. And the other one that we have is the straight line method. We can also call it the cost method. So basically, those are the two main methods that we use to calculate our depreciation, although we have other methods that we can use to calculate our depreciation. Then we go to 2.1.9. The net carrying value of asset is calculated in the statement of profits or loss and other comprehensive income, which is false. We know that the net carrying value, we calculate it in the balance sheet, which is the statement of financial position. Remember, we also the formula that we use to calculate the carrying value. We can take note of that. We say carrying value is equals to cost minus accumulated depreciation. So that's the formula to calculate the carrying value. When you go to 2.1.10, artwork is classified as a non-depreciable asset, which is true. So this is what we have in terms of the questions that we have are concerning the true or false section of the question paper of November 2024. Thank you for listening, and hopefully the video was helpful. And please, let's not forget to subscribe and share to our channel. Let's not forget to share the link to our colleagues who are doing cost and management accounting and finance. Let's meet again in the next video.